I'm starving. I just want somebody to make it for me. What the fuck? Anywho, yeah, let's get to making. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Genovia Real. And welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that and like and comment on this video once it's done, or now if you want to. Right now, what I am doing, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna spend the afternoon with me. So right now it's Friday afternoon. I just clocked out of work. We're signed out of my computer. I don't clock in or out. And I'm gonna get ready to record some content really quick. All right, so I have my book here. This is where I write down all of my content ideas, or just ideas in general, just for content. So I have this here. I wrote down, hopefully I wrote down everything I need to do for this video. It's gonna be tough because I don't have a camera and I record everything on my phone. So to record content and for Instagram and also record a video on my phone is tough. But let me go ahead and get started now. It's 4 o'clock because we have to do a whole lot of other things that don't involve content, like picking up a Walmart pickup and going to Target for alcohol. So let's I'll pick you guys up after I take a shower. Okay, y'all, actually, okay, y'all, we back. So just took a shower. I just threw on this Fashion Nova 2-piece workout thing. I should put some nails on, my thumbnails on, but girl, let's be realistic. I don't feel like it. Nails pop off, they're press-ons, it's fine. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set up, don't mind my countertop, you're not gonna see that, but we're gonna set up my tripod. That's gonna be too low. Set up my tripod here. The tripod is of course from Amazon. So we're gonna set that up, and then I'm gonna put all my supplies out for my wig review, because that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is the wig review. So yeah. Okay, so this is the wig right here. I actually already recorded the beginning of this video last week on Saturday, so that's why it's already unboxed. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. That's why it's unboxed. So I'm going to continue on with reviewing it. So there's that. Okay, I'm going to return this. Look, what is this? The wig is not working. Sadly, I should have returned this last week. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put on one of my old wigs. Yeah, I'm gonna put on one of my old wigs. So I can do this other video I had in mind. I got these pair of pants from Fashion Nova, and I wanted to come up with some outfits for them for this one pair. So it'd be like 4 different tops and 1 pair of pants. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this wig down. By glue I mean just some spray, and do a little bit of makeup, and then I'll start recording the other video. Okay, I'm almost done. To be honest, you guys, I'm like really annoyed that that wig just did not work out, because that takes away some content that I could put on my channel, you know? So, but the show must go on. Yeah, I just want to get on and just say that, because I know it happens to creators. Like, I know it happens often. Like, you get something and it just don't work out, but you still got to put out content, so you got to do something else. That wig does not it wasn't working. Like, I was just like, what the fuck is this? It has to go back. Like, that's ridiculous. Okay, so I already moved, don't mind the trash can because that's not gonna be in the shot. I already moved the ring light. Here it is right here. Yeah. And probably gonna be angled right here in this corner. It kind of sucks being so freaking tall because you can't see my whole body. I have to stand way the fuck back here. So, but I'm gonna probably just move the trash can over, move this closer. Yeah, so the trash can isn't in it. Okay, y'all, so I just recorded the last outfit. I thought this was cute. This literally, I came up with this off the top of my head. Like, I was like, okay, this blazer, and I was like, you know what, I have a hat that goes with this top. It came out pretty cute, if you ask me. I'm gonna wear this on the regular. Not to say that I don't wear my other stuff on the regular. I definitely will once I go out somewhere. But anyway, let's keep this ball rolling. So, oh, we're stuck. Right now, what we're about to do, it's about to be 6. I'm starving, so I think I might go ahead and either I can go to Target right now and do my pickup items, or I can, not my pickup items, pick up some items and then go to Walmart for my pickup, or I can do the Walmart pickup, which I'm probably not gonna. I'm just gonna do the Walmart pickup and go to Target because I'm hungry and I need to eat right now. So I'm gonna make some Hellofresh. All right, y'all. Anybody else get irritated by the alarms they put on their phone? Bitch, because I'm aggravated. Anyway, so I'm making, let me show you the picture. Boom shakalaka. I'm making this salmon plate. So it's called the salmon with creamy Dijon chive sauce. So I'm starving. I just want somebody to make it for me. What the fuck? Anywho, yeah, let's get to making. All right, so you see I put my waist trainer on because my stomach was looking ugly. So anyhow, I put some oil on the vegetables. I cut them up or whatever, and the potatoes and stuff. And now I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on them. And yeah, and put them in the oven. Okay, now we're on the salmon. It said put its skin down, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so it's done. The potatoes was taking like 100 years to fucking cook, and I just don't under fucking stand because I'm hungry. Like, hurry up. It's been in here for 20 minutes. Okay, this is what it came out to. It's not like the picture, and I think the sauce could be like creamier, but I'm about to eat it right now because I'm fucking starving. All right, so I couldn't finish my video yesterday because I got a call, and when a bad call, it was just a very long call. The call lasted about an hour and I still had to get stuff done. So I couldn't record, of course, because I was on the call on my damn phone. So basically where I left off at, I was eating my dinner for the evening, and after that I had to go to Walmart. That took a minute because I don't know why. And I was gonna go to Target and come back and complete what I was doing. But it didn't happen that way. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take you guys along with me this morning, and I still have to go to Target and I have to run a couple of errands. So it'll be spend the afternoon / morning with me. And to be completely transparent, I feel like I'm gonna keep doing this, but it's like right now I just feel like all the odds are against me. Like every time I'm trying to record something, I get a call. Every time I try to do something, like I get a call, I get a text, I got to do something else, it gets derailed. I trying to do a review for this wig and the wig is completely fucking horrible. Like, I don't know. I'm just, and it's like you know, being a mom, I have the help, you know, of my son's dad. Like, I do. Like, I appreciate that. I have no problems with that. But he spends most of the time with me. And now I finally have weekends to where I'm not working and I don't have my son, so I can go ahead and focus on creating content. And he doesn't have any games, you know, on these coming Saturdays. So it's like, it should be no reason why I'm not creating content. But I feel like just the odds get against me, on top of my mental health, my anxiety, being a mom, just everything, like, gotta clean up. I don't know. I'm just trying to create content and I feel like the odds are against me, and I'm not trying to complain. And I know it's many other creators that go through a lot more and still is able to put out content. So I'm just like, I'm trying to be nice to myself. I'm trying to be calm to myself, but I also need to try to figure out how to get organized to where I can create content and put it out, because I really love doing it. I just feel like everything is just stopping me. Okay, so shower done, hair flat iron, kind of. About to go to Target. Yeah, we about to montage it up. So roll that beautiful bean montage.
I know that I hurt you. Yeah. I was a child trying to be a man. To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home. And I know I missed so much of your life.
There must be a fucking food shortage, because what the, like, I don't know, there's no chicken nuggets for my son. Like, even at Walmart, there was no chicken nuggets. Like, what the fuck? And I'm not getting the organic ones because they're fucking expensive, and you get like half the thing. The fuck?
Hurry up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like that in city parking lot. Hear the talks when I walk by, like you know it's so weird.
It's too many beautiful women out here to be trying to sleep with one of your close friends' baby mama. And everybody thought it was so cute and this and that. No, that shit was not cute. That was weird. I mean, yeah, like people that I talk about. Yeah, I mean, that shit was just I don't know. They were just weird. Yeah, well, okay, so let me say,
Hey y'all, so looks like I didn't close the spend the afternoon / morning with me type of vlog. Sorry, my wig is lifted. Clearly it is now Sunday and it's Easter. Happy Easter. So I'm just closing it out. Last time I left off, I was cutting up some flowers to put in a vase. Then I just went over my sorority sister's house and chilled. So that was it. I apologize for it being so choppy, but if you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd really appreciate that. Thanks.
Look me in the eyes, Junior. For real.